Learning with Zachary and Zayden.
Okay guys, today we will be building this. And this is Hulk Mech Armor. And this is from Lego Marvel. And it's from Marvel Avengers. But you guys make sure you pay attention. This is rated for ages 6 and up. That's why I'm going to be here building it. It has the Hulk. The small Lego Hulk guy. I like the Hulk. And it is pretty cool. So, you guys ready? And to help us build this, we're gonna use my boy Rubble. What's up, guys? I'm Rubble, and I'm all about building. I'm gonna help you guys construct this Lego kit. Ready? Let's go. The first thing that we want to do is open the box. And we open the box right here. Once we open our box, we pour out our building materials. We have the manual, we have bag 1, we have bag 2, and we have this beam. Let's look at the manual. Okay, and first, we dump out our parts. Next, after we dump out our bag, we're going to look for the Hulk. Once we have all the pieces to the Hulk, we put them together. Now, doesn't that look like a Hulk? Hulk smash! So we're going to put the Hulk over there by our Rubble. Oh, hey Hulk. Hulk smash. This Hulk is pretty small. He not real Hulk. Whoa, that's how a Lego Hulk looks compared to the real deal. Hulk gonna help build too. All right, Rubble, Hulk, let's keep building. Next, we'll be looking for a piece that looks like that. I think we found it. Next, we need 2 small pieces that look like that. The 2 pieces go on this piece like this. Next is a black piece that goes in the front. Then 3 green pieces. Next, we have to find this back plate and this little light green piece. And we flip our piece around. And it should make the chest piece of the Hulk. Man, this reminds me of the Thanos mech that we built. So we have the pieces. That goes there. This goes here. And it looks something like that. Let's keep going. Now we need 1 flat black square piece. Next we need 2 different triangle shaped pieces. Like these. And we place them on like that. Like such. Next we need 1 small green block. I'm going to place this right on the front of that. Awesome. Okay, next we need a gray block that looks like that. Here we are. Next we need 2 purple blocks. Looking good so far. Next we need 1 black box with Next we need 1 black block with 2 balls on it. Next we need a purple block. Like that. Then we need 2 purple blocks to go on the side of that block. There we go. Now we find that black piece and flip our piece upside down. There. And now we have the black piece inserted. And now we bring our two pieces together. All right. So we have the body piece. Looking pretty good. Now, I wonder what piece is this gonna be. Let's go. First, we need a green piece that looks like that. Next, we need two gray pieces that look like that. Next, we need another green piece and a small green piece. We should have something that looks like this. Now we need a purple piece that looks like that and a small purple piece. So this is what we have. Can you guys guess what part of the mech armor this is? It's green at the bottom and purple at the top. Let's take a look at the Hulk. What part is green and purple on the Hulk? What part of the Hulk do you guys think this is? Let's see if you were right. We need one green piece to go to on the bottom. And we need one more green piece, light green, to go on the bottom. Okay, and we connect it to the bottom. So that means that was one of Hulk's legs. So that was one of the Hulk mech's legs. So now we have to build the other leg, and we're going to do the same thing. Two purple pieces. Two more purple pieces. And now we have another leg. We're coming along. Keep it going. Hulk like building Legos. So now that the legs are built, I wonder what we'll build next. Should look like this. I did grab that piece at first, but it's a smaller piece. Okay, we have to do two of these. So what do you think these are? If you guessed that they were the Hulk mech's 2 feet, I think you would be right. Oh boy, so now our mech has feet and legs and a body. We're coming along. Now it looks like next we will be building the Hulk's hand. His hand and arm. So we need a piece like this. and a black and a gray piece. Now we need a light green and a green. We attach them down bottom to the black piece. Next we need that black piece and a green piece. First we place the black piece on it. Next we place the green piece on it. And it should cover it like that. Next we need a green piece that goes at the bottom. Next we need 2 small green pieces. Oh yeah, and now we have the Mech armor arm. It can even ball up. Be careful, they fall off easily though. Next, we have to make his other arm. And we are on what page, guys? 45. We're almost done, team. Keep up the good work.
Hulk, think you do good.
Now we've completed the Mech Armor Hulk's second arm. Whoa, looking pretty cool. Now this beam, we have to finish putting our last little bit of pieces on this beam. Now we put the beam in the Hulk Armor's arm. Now the beam is in the Hulk Armor's hand. And last we put the Hulk in the Hulk's mech armor. Oh yeah, I've been waiting for this, so now I can get big. Hulk, mech armor. I don't mind if I do. Oh yeah, now I'm feeling like a real Hulk. Oh yeah, Lego Hulk still not bigger than real Hulk. But now I can smash too. 2 Hulk smashes. 2 Hulk smashes. Hulk smash. That was a pretty good Hulk smash. Now, let me show you how it's done. Hulk smash. Whoa, pretty shaky. But thanks for helping us put it together, guys. Make sure you guys come back and see more Lego builds. I think Zachary is going to be building something soon. Till next time, bye.